eToro Crypto Pricing explained what you get for your money. eToro is a popular trading platform for stocks and crypto, but most people get this wrong by thinking its crypto trading is free or flat rate. In reality, eToro uses spreads rather than traditional commissions, and understanding them is key to knowing what you're paying. Crypto trading spreads on eToro start around 0.75% for major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This means if you buy $0 worth of Bitcoin, you're paying about 15 spread fees. Less liquid or smaller coins have higher spreads, sometimes exceeding 2%, which can add up for frequent traders. eToro also charges withdrawal fees per transaction and requires a minimum withdrawal of. Deposits are free for most methods, except certain international payments. eToro's platform includes social trading features, meaning you can copy other traders' portfolios. While this doesn't change fees, it offers a unique value proposition that can save you time and research costs. There are no recurring account fees, which makes it more predictable than other crypto brokers. The surprising truth is that spreads, not commissions, are the hidden cost most traders underestimate. Even though the fee seems small per trade, it compounds over multiple transactions. For example, trading $0 monthly with a 1% average spread costs per month, something casual traders often overlook. In conclusion, eToro offers a user-friendly crypto trading experience with clear spreads and minimal account fees. Understanding how spreads work, choosing major coins for lower costs, and being mindful of withdrawal fees ensures you get the most value from the platform. For investors who value simplicity and social trading, eToro can be a smart choice if you plan trades carefully.